Morningside have been able to move this ball to half forward. Good contest there provided from both players. Going in hard with Starcevic, able to get the hands off. He's out of score to Morningside. They move to one behind as well as the Thunder. So the Thunder elect to bring the ball in short. Mark Taker puts it inside 50 for Morningside. No one able to gather until the Thunder. Wosley Black was able to put it inside the centre of the ground. He handballed over the top towards Foray. Coming through hard though is Wosley Black. He's well tackled. Holding the ball, says the umpire. And the free kick will go.
I'd respond, and so far it's just been really entertaining.
Well, Willie Farah won it down with that unconventional ruck work. The Thunder get it inside 50 quickly once again.
I reckon here was you could have worked the mark. Like, work the mark to your right. You nearly could have intercepted that handball. Get your hands out, work the mark. I reckon you could have nearly intercepted, caused a stoppage, or maybe even won the footy there. I reckon real good pairing off here was. You didn't get sucked into the ball carrier. You could have gone to the ball carrier number 17. You didn't. You stayed off. Yeah, it was good pairing up. Got it into the forward line really quickly through the nail gun. That was excellent, mate. Yeah, mate, good attack on the footy and good that you went at it. But, mate, you've got a body line and take the footy. There's no use like going in and just hitting the football. Got a body line. You've got to hit his body, a bit of body on body. Make contests, take the footy, play on. There's no use just going in and then just tapping it. Yeah, you attacked it hard, but let's bloody make a bit of body and take the footy. Yeah, mate, with this one, you've got to hit the target, mate. That's just a 30-metre kick. 30-metre kick. You've got two options there, Bradley and Paddy. Yeah, you just got to hit that, champ.
Mark Nelkin at the front of the pack. Also there, coming through, is Wosley Black. He can't gather off the ground as he kicked the goal. Oh, almost a great...
Yeah, Wes, I'll just point this out to you, mate. If you want to play AFL, and I think you're good enough to play AFL, you're on your man now. At the top of screen at half back there, that's you with your man there, number 18. All right, and just how important we spread 25s there at the contest as well. You'll see 25. They get the kick in. There's your man going. You've got to be body lining him, not letting him get to where he wants to go. He's just gut run and spread and outspread us. You can't let him get dangerous. Can't let him get on the outside, right? It's just something to work on. You're only a young kid, but better off pointing these things out to you now as a 17-year-old before you get in the AFL, because they're really big on this in the AFL, mate.
Way through, did he get one high? He's appealing for a free kick. Lawrence is in there. Plenty of numbers around the ball. Good physical footy being played here. Ball not going anywhere. Mate, there in Upton. So Shelton to Upton, the two captains towards Starcevic, who can't take the mark. Spills out to Lawler, who kicks, finds the target. Bit loopy there, but able to find his teammate there once again in Kinch, who kicks towards Starcevic. Starcevic drops a mark that almost should have taken on that occasion, and they've forced us to come. He's got plenty of options there. He goes in the Abbey direction. Good hands. Some very solid hands. Hands off, though, to Foray. Can he kick his second goal of the quarter? Drop punt. Courtesy of Vassal. Staunton was the target, not able to mark it. Coming through there is Wosley Black. He tried to kick it off the ground and kicked in air, but now Lawrence comes away with the...
I reckon this is real good. Left your man, big punch. The only thing, just got to make sure it's a real big punch so you clear the danger zone. But yeah, the intent of what you're doing was real good, but just make sure it's a really big, strong punch so it clears the area and gets it out of our danger zone. Good work, though.
Panthers struggling to take possession of the ball. It's Delbridge, and now the Thunder get the quick kick away. But cutting it off there is Smith. He's going to be run down from behind today. Hands off towards Cummings, and they've got the ball at centre wing. It's Lawrence now who turns the ball over and able to... Cummins goes towards the scoreboard wing there. Abbey kicks it off the ground, gains 10 or 15 metres. Ball still in play. It hasn't quite gone out of bounds. Wosley Black, a good effort to hold. Pauses and waits for the option to present. He goes along, looking for Abbey there, I think it might be. Finds him. Finds him. And Wosley Black just caught a little bit behind on that occasion. So Kent Abbey, short kick over the top, finds a teammate there in Buntain. Get the ball out for the Panthers. kicks towards centre wing. Abbey taps it in front of him, but Wosley Black was able to keep his feet and get the clearing handball. Great effort from the youngster there. Bradley Palapamini just knocks it straight back to him. Now they've got the overlap. It's Wosley Black. He's looking for options. His handball, not the greatest either, but it finds Smith. Ben Rioli has